Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by turning your Google form into a quiz and installing a timer add-on. Open Settings, enable Quiz, then go to Add-ons and pick a reputable timer. You must authorize the add-on to access the form. This is why you'll see permission prompts. Once done, reload the form so the add-on shows in the puzzle piece menu. This gets you directly into configuration, no extra setup steps, because the add-on handles timing, delivery, and integration with the quiz features. Now configure the timer options to match your assessment goals. Select the duration, for example 30 minutes, and pick Start Behavior. Start on Open for self-paced tests or schedule a precise start time for exams. Make sure to set whether the form auto-submits when time expires. Auto-submit preserves responses for grading, whereas manual submit allows last-second review. Also check options for warnings and extensions so you can manage technical issues. Finish by testing the timed quiz end-to-end using at least one test account. You'll want to simulate network hiccups and tab switching to see how the timer behaves. Make sure you add clear instructions on the form so participants know whether tab switching pauses the timer or not, and remind them to use stable connectivity. If the timer fails, revoke then reauthorize the add-on, try a different browser, or reinstall. That troubleshooting step resolves most permission or caching problems you might encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.